Hello student, good morning. Today we will study the chapter number 6, the fight, second part. So in the first part we had studied that there is a boy Ranji who enjoyed swimming in the forest pool, but another boy had come and he refused him to take swimming there or to take bath there. In this way there was a violent struggle between Ranji and that strange boy. That strange boy had threatened Ranji and invited him for the next day fighting. They both were agreed that they will continue that fight next day. In this way, they both went home back. Now, the next day, what had happened? Okay, so let's study. When Ranji got home, Ranji went home. He found it difficult to explain the cuts and bruises that showed on his face, legs, and arms. There were cuts and bruises. Okay, cuts and bruises occurred in the violent struggle. So it was impossible for him to explain that what had happened with him, that how the cuts and bruises occur on his face and legs and arms. It was difficult to conceal means hide, the fact that he had been in an unusually violent fight. So it was very difficult for him to say that there was a fight with someone, and his mother insisted on his staying at home for the rest of the day. So he knew that his mother will force on him that and not allow him to go outside. That evening, though, he slipped out of the house. But he slipped out of the house that evening and went to bazaar. He went to bazaar that evening, where he found comfort and solace in a bottle of vividly colored lemonade and a banana leaf full of hot sweet jalebis. So, when he went to the bazaar, he purchased bottle vividly different color of lemonade and purchase banana leaf full of hot. So here solace, the word solace means to give himself a comfort. Okay, अपने आप को comfort feel करवाना. Consolation we can say. Sweet jalebi he purchased, lemonade juice purchased. He had just finished the lemonade when he saw his adversary means his enemy. उसका जो opposite लड़का था, warrior, अपने आप को warrior बताता, वो वहाँ पर दिखा. Coming down the road, and that boy was coming down the road. His first impulse was to turn away and look elsewhere. So first Ranji thought that not to look elsewhere. He is the second to throw the lemonade bottle at his enemy. The second thought came in his mind that to throw that lemonade bottle to his enemy. Okay, ऐसा वो सोचता है. But he did not neither these things. He did not look elsewhere. He did not throw the bottle to his adversary. You can see in picture. Okay, this boy enjoying jalebis on banana leaf. This is lemonade bottle. This boy with whom he had struggled in the forest pool. Instead, he stood his ground and scowled at passing adversary. So he gave a scroll. ऐसा hissing sound उसको देता है, घुर्राता है उसके तरफ. And the warrior said nothing either, scolded back with equal ferocity. His adversary, his enemy, did not shout, but also he scolded back with equal ferocity. वो भी उतनी ही स्ट्रेंथ और एनर्जी के साथ वो उसको भी स्कोल्ड करता है, मतलब एंग्रीली उसको लुक करता है. द नेक्स्ट डे वॉज एज हॉट एज द प्रीवियस वन. सो एज इट वॉज द समर सीजन, इट वॉज हॉट आउटसाइड. Ranji felt weak and lazy and not at all eager for a fight. Okay, so as his body was he was getting tired, he was no more active, and his mood was not to fight with that boy. His body was stiff and sore. उसकी जो बॉडी थी वो स्टिफ हो गई थी, शोर हो गई थी आफ्टर द प्रीवियस डेज एनकाउंटर, जो एनकाउंटर हुआ था अगले दिन जो अपने उसके एडवर्सरी के साथ. सो हिज बॉडी वॉज शोर, मतलब सूज गया था. बट ही कुड नॉट रेफ्यूज द चैलेंज. नॉट टू टर्न अप द पुल वुड बी एन एक्नॉलेजमेंट ऑफ डिफीट. ओके, तो वो नहीं चाहता था कि उसका वो डिफीट मतलब हार स्वीकार ले और वो पुल को एक हार के ऐसा लगे कि ये पुल उसके लिए हार का कारण बना. फ्रॉम द वे ही फेल्ट जस्ट देन ही न्यू ही वुड बी बीटन another fight, but he could not acquiesce means agree in his own defeat. Must defy his enemy to the last or outwit him, for only then could he gain his respect. So from the way he felt, whatever he was feeling, just then he knew he would be beaten by the another fight. उसको ऐसा लगता था कि वो बीटन हो जाएगा, मतलब हार जाएगा नेक्स्ट फाइट में. बट ही कुड नॉट एक्वेसाइज, वो एग्री नहीं हो पा रहा था इन हिज ओन डिफीट. राइट, मस्ट डिफाई हिज एनिमी टू द लास्ट और आउटविट हिम. आउटविट मीन्स उसकी बुद्धि के जरिए. फॉर ओनली देन could he gain his respect. ओके, सो पहले से ही बिना लड़े अगर हम हमारी हार स्वीकार ले तो हम रिस्पेक्ट समाज में नहीं मिलता हमको. राइट, गेन हिज रिस्पेक्ट, अगर उसको हरा देगा तो ही उसको रिस्पेक्ट मिलेगा, ऐसा वो सोचता है. इफ ही सरेंडर्ड नाउ ही वुड बी, अगर वो सरेंडर कर देता है, पहले से एक्सेप्ट कर लेता है कि चलो मान लिया कि वो हार जाता है, ही वुड बी बीटन ऑल द टाइम. जो हमें पहली बार अगर वो गिव अप कर देगा, अगर सरेंडर कर देगा तो जिंदगी में उसे लगेगा कि वो हारता ही रहेगा. बट टू फाइट एंड बी बीटन टुडे लेफ्ट हिम फ्री टू फाइट एंड बी बीटन अगेन. ओके, बट टू फाइट एंड बी बीटन टुडे लेफ्ट हिम फ्री टू फाइट बी बीटन अगेन. ओके, एज लॉन्ग एज ही फोर्ट ही हैड अ राइट टू द pool in the forest. He had a right to enjoy his swimming in the forest. उसको पता था कि उसका हक बनता है कि वो फॉरेस्ट पूल को इंजॉय करे. He was half hoping that the warrior would have forgotten the challenge. So half hoping, आधी इच्छा ऐसी भी थी, आशा ऐसी भी थी कि उसका चैलेंजर जो था वो भूल जाए चैलेंज के बारे में. But these hopes were dashed when he saw his opponent sitting stripped to the waist on the rock of the other side of the pool. But his hope will wane. उसकी जो आशा थी वो पानी, उसकी वेन इन वाटर, पानी फिर गया, क्योंकि उसका तो ऑपोजिट पहले से ही वहाँ पर जाकर बैठा था, अदर साइड ऑफ द पूल. यहाँ पर वर्ड इज स्ट्रिप्ड मीन्स विदाउट क्लोथ, वो एक शॉर्ट पहन कर ही वहाँ पर बैठा था. द वॉरियर वॉज रबिंग ऑयल ऑन हिज बॉडी, जैसे वो पहलवान हो. He saw Ranji beneath the sal tree. Okay, the sal tree was at the bank of the pool. So he saw that boy present over there and called a challenge across the water of the pool. उसको चैलेंज देता है कि पानी से होकर तू आ. Come over on this side and fight, he shouted. वो कहता है कि पानी की इस तरफ से तू आ और मेरे साथ फाइट कर. But Ranji was not going to submit to any conditions laid down by his opponent. Okay? ऐसी कोई कंडीशन जो शर्त लगाता है उसके साथ वो ऐसा लेट डाउन करेगा नहीं. Come this side and fight. वो कहता है कि तू यहाँ पर और फाइट कर. He shouted back with equal vigor, equal strength के साथ कहता है. Swim across and fight me here, called the other. तो पहला कहते हैं कि अरे तू स्विम करके आ और मेरे साथ फाइट कर. Or perhaps you cannot swim the length of the pool. अरे क्या स्विम करना नहीं आता इसीलिए ऐसा बोल रहा है. But Ranji could not have swum the length of the pool a dozen times without tiring, and here he would show the warrior his superiority. As we know that Ranji was a good swimmer, so he did not want to lose the chance to show his superiority in swimming. So slipping out of his waist and dived straight into the water, cutting through it like a knife, and surfaced with hardly a splash. The warrior's mouth hung open in amazement. So to see his swimming skill, उसने ऐसे डाइव लगाया कटिंग करते हुए, जैसे नाइफ कट करता है वैसे वो पानी को कट करके एंड सरफेस द हार्डली अ स्प्लेस, और कम बहुत कम जो स्प्लेस जिसको कहते हैं बूंदे उड़ती है उस तरह से बहुत कम बूंदे उड़ी और इस तरह से वो स्विम करता हुआ आया। तो वो जो वॉरियर था ही वॉज अमेज्ड टू सी एंड ही वॉज सो सरप्राइज, सो हिज माउथ could open hung open, उसका मुंह तो खुला का खुला ही रह गया टू सी his swimming skill. You can dive, he exclaimed. अरे इतनी डाइव कर सकता है तू? It is easy, said रंजी. रंजी ने कहा अरे ये तो इजी है. Trading water, सिर्फ वाटर को ट्रेड करना है. Waiting for a further challenge. Can't you dive? वो कहता है कि तू डाइव नहीं कर सकता. No, said the other. I jump straight in. मैं तो सिर्फ जंप कर सकता हूँ. बट इफ यू विल टेल मी हाउ आई विल मेक अ डाइव, अगर तू मुझे सिखाएगा कैसे करना है तो आई विल डाइव, मैं डाइव करूंगा. इट इज ईजी, सेड रंजी. स्टैंड ऑन द रॉक, स्ट्रेच योर आर्म्स आउट एंड अलो योर हेड टू displace your feet. See, he is showing how to dive into the water. The warrior stood up, stiff and straight. वो भी खड़ा रह गया. Stretch out his arms, arms को stretch किया. And threw himself into the water, अपने आप को पानी में फेंका. He landed flat on his belly with a crash that sent the birds screaming out of the trees. So he jumped into the water. The water crash sound was there. Even जो बर्ड थे ट्री पर बैठे थे वो भी उड़ गए. रंजी dissolve into laughter. अब रंजी ये देखकर बहुत ही हंस पड़ता है. Are you trying to empty the pool? He asked. रंजी कहता है क्या पानी पूल खाली करना है क्या? Do you want to empty the water from the pool? As the warrior came to the surface, spouting water like a small whale, उसने तो वाटर को ऐसे कर दिया जैसे कि कोई मतलब एक जोरदार से पानी को इतना वो किया कि जैसे पानी अभी खाली हो जाएगा. राइट? Wasn't it good? asked the boy. अच्छा नहीं था क्या? Evidently proud of his feet. Okay? वैसे तो उसको अपने फीट पर प्राउड था. Not very good, said Ranji. You should have more practice. She, I will do it again. वो कहता है कि अरे इतना अच्छा भी नहीं था, उसको प्रैक्टिस करने की ज़रूरत है. And pulling himself up on the rock. And he executed, means वो उसको दिखाते how to dive into the water. Another perfect dive. The other boy waited for him to come up, but swimming underwater, Ranji circled him and came upon him from behind. So Ranji could not see on the surface. Ranji was swimming underwater, and this boy was waiting for him, and Ranji came on the surface behind him. How did you do that? asked the astonished youth. Okay, that boy was so surprised, so astonished, that he asked Ranji, how could you do this? Can't you swim underwater? asked Ranji. Ranji asked that boy that couldn't he swim underwater? No, but I will try it. The warrior made a tremendous effort to plunge to the bottom of the pool, and indeed he thought he had gone right down, though his bottom, like a duck's, remained above the surface. He tried to swim under the water, but every time, like a duck जो होता है पानी के ऊपर तैरता है, right? So this boy always remained on the surface. Ranji, however, did not discourage him. Ranji did not want to discourage that boy. It was not bad, he said. Ranji said that no, it was not bad. अच्छा था, ठीक है, चलो. But you need a lot of practice. Ranji encouraged that boy that he needs lots of practice. Will you teach me? asked his enemy. So his enemy asked Ranji that would he teach him? If you like, I will teach you. रंजी ने कहा कि तुझे पसंद है तो I will teach you, मैं सिखाऊंगा. You must teach me. If you do not teach me, I will beat you. Will you come here every day and teach me? वो कहता है कि मुझे नहीं सिखाएगा, I will beat you, मैं तुझे मारूंगा. तू रोज यहाँ आना और मुझे सिखाना. See student, देखिए कैसी उसकी फाइटिंग जो होती है फ्रेंडशिप में बदल रही है. राइट? If you like, said रंजी. रंजी कहता है कि अगर तुझे पसंद हो तो मैं ज़रूर आऊँगा. They had pulled themselves out of the water and means दोनों पानी से बाहर आते and were sitting side by side on the smooth grey rock. They sat on the grey rock. My name is Suraj, said warrior. What is yours? Now they started be friendly there. Okay, so Suraj introduced himself as a Suraj. Okay, that warrior introduced himself as a Suraj. It is Ranji. Now Ranji introduced himself. Okay, I am strong, I am not. So आज सूरज ने कहा कि देखो मैं कितना स्ट्रॉन्ग हूँ. एम आई नॉट, क्या नहीं हूँ मैं स्ट्रॉन्ग. बेंडिंग हिज आर्म सो दैट अ बॉल ऑफ मसल स्टूड अप, stretching the white of his face. Okay, as his skin color was white, so he shows his muscles. तो हाथ में आर्म्स में वो बॉल बन जाता है मसल्स का. You are strong, said Ranji. You are a real पहलवान. One day I will be the world's champion wrestler, said Suraj. Now Suraj wish was that to be a wrestler one day. Slapping his thigh पर slapping करता है, बोलता है कि one day he will be a great wrestler. Which shook with the impact of his hand. He looked critically at Ranji's hard thin body. उसके बॉडी को बहुत ही क्रिटिकली देखता है, आलोचना के भाव से वो देखता है, जैसे वो दिखाना चाहता था कि तू कितना पोर है, तेरी बॉडी कितनी थिन है. यू आर क्वाइट स्ट्रॉन्ग योर सेल्फ, ही कंसीडेड. और थोड़ा कंसीडेड करके वो बोलता है कि तू भी तो थोड़ा क्वाइट स्ट्रॉन्ग है, बट यू आर टू बोनी, बहुत पतला है. आई नो यू पीपल डू नॉट ईट इनफ, कि मुझे पता है तुम्हारे पास इतना खाना नहीं होता है. यू मस्ट कम एंड हैव योर फूड विथ मी. आई ड्रिंक 1 seer ऑफ मिल्क एवरी डे. सीर इज अ काइंड ऑफ मेजरमेंट. शेर जिसको कहते हैं, 1 seer 2 seer. ओके, तो कहते हैं कि मैं तुझे खाना दूंगा. एंड ड्रिंक 1 seer ऑफ मिल्क एवरी डे. वी हैव गोट अवर ओन काउ, हमारी खुद की काऊ है. बी माई फ्रेंड and I will make you a पहलवान like me. So here they introduce himself. Okay, introduce each other. And also उसने कहा कि मेरे घर आना, I will give you food and milk. If you teach me to dive and swim underwater, I will make you a पहलवान. तो दोनों एक दूसरे को प्रोमिस करते हैं कि तू मुझे पहलवान बनाएगा और मैं पहलवान मैं तुझे बनाऊंगा और तू मुझे स्विमिंग सिखाना. दैट इज फेयर इजंट इट, यही सही रहेगा. दैट इज फेयर, सेड रंजी, दो ही डाउटेड इफ ही वॉज गेटिंग द बेटर द एक्सचेंज. ओके, फाइटिंग से तो अच्छा है कि वो उसके लिए वही बेटर था. सूरज पुट हिज आर्म्स अराउंड द यंगर बॉय एंड सेड, वी आर फ्रेंड्स नाउ. यस, okay, in this way they become friends. They looked each other with honest, unflinching eyes, and in that moment love and understanding were born. So student, उन दोनों के बीच में अब लव और अंडरस्टैंडिंग जो होता है वो आ जाता है. अनफ्लिंचिंग आइज मतलब एक दूसरे को कोई स्टेरिंग के भाव से वो एक दूसरे को नहीं देखते, कोई घूरता नहीं एक दूसरे को, दोनों की आंखों में प्यार और ऑनेस्ट है. वी आर फ्रेंड्स, सेड रंजी. द बर्ड्स हैड सेटल अगेन, जो उड़ गए थे ना उसकी जंपिंग से, पानी में जंप लगाया तब. द बर्ड्स हैड सेटल्ड अगेन इन देयर ब्रांचेस एंड द पुल वॉज क्वाइट एंड लिम्पिड मतलब वेरी क्लियर इन द शेड ऑफ द साल ट्री. इट इज अवर पुल, सेड सूरज. Nobody else can make here without our permission. Who would dare? So Suraj had said that nobody will come to enjoy the swim here. And who would dare? कौन हिम्मत करेगा? Who would dare? said Ranji, smiling with the knowledge that he had won the day. आज वो जीत गया था. The writer is Ruskin Bond. हमारा फर्स्ट हमने जो पहले पढ़ा था, राइट, द मॉनसून डायरी, ऑल्सो रिटन बाय द राइटर रस्किन Bond. So in this way there is the friendship had been settled between Ranji and Suraj. So comprehension check के क्वेश्चन आंसर है जो आपको आपकी होमवर्क बुक में लिखने हैं. ओके, थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.